give her a resounding applause, please.
Morning, everyone. Mura ko isang paong ko ang kapre. Okay, so my task is to tell about the story of General Barrera. Since I entered DepEd, si Bingbing na siya sa district office. She's been working with the district with different supervisors, and she was a very diligent worker of the DepEd family. Whoever comes to her, mangayo o service record, magpa-process o mga promotion, magpa-gama o letter, or whatever services related to her work, dili gyud siya mo balibad. Especially kanang janitorial services inside the office. Bingbing was a very hard-working person. Makita gyud nato sa iyahang disposisyon. Kung imo siya makitaan personally, makita nato nga ang iyahang pamaro mo reflect yun sa iyahang mga action. That was Ma'am General Barrera. And I cannot tell you exactly how many years she has served DepEd, but I guess everyone around here would agree to all the words I'm saying today. So, Ma'am Generals, wherever you are today, I hope you had a good life. And we thank you for all the services you give to us. That would be all. Thank you.
Ma'am Darlene C. Palar-Palar. Let us give her a big round of applause, please.
Good morning, everyone. To our municipal mayor and vice mayor who are not around, but sending their representative to Mr. Narciso or Mr. Reynald Narciso, our previous colleague in the Department of Education, and now he is the municipal SB secretary. So, nindot kayo mga big time kayo ni naa sa atong municipality karon. And of course, to our dear district supervisor, Ma'am Yenibel Elsie Cusana. Good morning, Ma'am. Graduated at Villa Flores College as cum laude. Her first experience as substitute teacher was in Bago Elementary School. Then Saying Elementary School in year 1991. Then she received the permanent item on November 5, 1991. And her first assignment was at Pinalugnan Elementary School. She's been there for 10 years. Dugay-dugay day ka dito, ma'am. And transferred to Lutay Elementary School in the year 2000. Help me welcome and another ovation for Ma'am Elsie Camanzo, our new retiree.
Thank you, Ma'am Darlene, for that very wonderful introduction. To our very active PSDS, Ma'am Yenibel Cusana, our SB members, our SB secretary, and to my Lutay ES family, then to our teachers in different elementary school, our principals, our school head, retirees, nga ako na karong mga kauban, good morning. No words can express the happiness I felt today for this very amazing that the DepEd family Tayasan 2 honored us as retiree. daghan kayong salamat ninyo labi na katong nag-effort yun nga kini mas successful. Thank you so much. For my 33 and 5 months in the service, once di akong dapita sa ako ang mga co-teachers, and in mind, makaingon ko, sus, mo apil naman yun unya ko diring dapita. And now, it come. So, dili naman gud nato kapugnan. So, nakaana jud ko nga, maanha naman jud ko din ang dapita. So, okay ra gyapon because I'm very thankful to God that I reached this age of 65 and still healthy. Thank you, Lord, for this healthful life given to me. And sa akong pagpanarbaho, I really love teaching. Maubitaw ng 65 jud ko na-retire. Kay ganahan pa jud kong magtudlo. But unsaon man jud nga, dili naman jud nakapugnan. So thankful kaayo ko sa akong pagka-teacher even though I was not promoted because of some circumstances. That's why ako na pong gigusto nga mayroon ana ra pud ko. So I was not promoted. I know already that according to the civil service, ma'am, you cannot be promoted because I was in as a cum laude than PD 907. So okay ra gapon ko because what I wanted is to teach. So, okay makaayo nang ma-promoted ta, higher in rank, kay in-retire po nato, lahi pa po lang ato ang madawat sa, but okay rin hapon ko sa akong na-receive from, balik na ko from the government. So, at this time, I hope na all the teachers loved their work. Not only we are going to after na what we had received, but we are going to love our work for the children, para sa mga bata. And I knew nga kitang tanan mao dyan ay ato ang aim nga ang ato yung pag-teach para sa mga bata. Kay karong panahon na kung mahimo pa lang katong sa una, okay ra man gud to nga magsigimig patindog sa mga bata karon. Oh my God, kung patindog ta, ikuan dayon ta sa kuan media. Mo anak dayon ng mga ginikanan doon lahi na manggod karon. So sa una, according to Angel May, kung dili sila makapanglimpyo, o bantay lang mong ma'am, kay kinahanglan jud nga clean na jud ang classroom. According to Ma'am Stella, kay ako man silang mga pupils. So kinahanglan jud nga mag-study jud, kay kung dili ta ka-answer, o bantay lang man jud mong ma'am. So they said, I am strict, but they learned much from me. So thank you so much and Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of us.
Alright, so thank you so much, Ma'am LCD Camanzo. Once again, a big standing ovation and a big say thank you for your service, Ma'am LC. 1, 2, 3, go. Please remain standing as we welcome our retirees in receipts. Signed, the Honorable Elsie Cosana, PSDS. A big round of applause, please.
Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, Feliz Navidad, próspero año y felicidad. Feliz Navidad, Feliz
Same certificate of recognition is awarded to Yolanda S. Viloira, Alas 3 of Tayasan Central School, Tayasan District 2. A big round of applause, please.
Feliz Navidad.
Same certificate of recognition is awarded to LCD Camanso, Teacher 1 of Latay Elementary School, Tayasan District 2. Always, once again, a big round of applause to our achievers for this Pasigarbo 2025.